新闻头先来关心联合国的秘书长、副秘书长阿米娜，互人问到台湾参与联合国的议题，真难得是回应讲无应该排除任何人。外界认为这就是咧支持台湾。不过，稍后副发言人同款互人问到这个问题，说是继续咧强调一中政策。
And I think member states have to find a way to make sure that we are not in that position where we're excluding people. Every person matters, whether it's Taiwan or otherwise, and I think it's really important for member states to find a solution to that.
联合国副秘书长阿米娜15号记者问到台湾参加联合国议题时阵，罕见的正面回应支持台湾，表示无应该排除任何人，也要找出解决方案。不过，到第2点前后，联合国副发言人互人问到同款的议题时阵，又搁到进行一中政策的回应。记者一直问，却无得回答。
By the one China policy, as
well, if it's a one China policy, why can't
decided by the
yes,
General
I understand. Even the People's Republic of China believe that those Taiwanese people are part of a one China. Why can't they come into this building?
We accept passports. Your Chinese colleague has answered for.
联合国大会后礼拜要举行，外交部长吴钊燮写文章予外国媒体，呼吁联合国接纳台湾。不过，中国驻联合国代表团也是声明，予台湾参加世界议题。另外，趁柬埔寨总理洪马内访问中国，发表联合公布讲，台湾问题是中国内政，来压制台湾主权。
外交部对于中国共产党威权政府持续在国际间恶意散播贬损我国主权的言论，以及柬埔寨政府 自甘沦为中国共产党威权政府的传声筒，表达强烈抗议，并予以最严厉谴责。
外交部谴责柬埔寨言论，正式声明中华民国台湾是主权独立的国家，甲中华人民共和国无共国，这是事实，也是国际社会公认的现况。中国应该认清事实。记者综合报道。